just got my attack dogs.
Attack dogs?
I know Call of Duty when I hear one.
Yeah, Dad, we're playing Ghost 2.
Really? The first one? Underrated. Top 5 even.
Wait, Billy, you have attack dogs too? We're so good.
How do you both have full streaks?
Because the other team stinks. But with skill-based matchmaking, that means you stink too.
No, not anymore, Dad.
What do you mean? SBMM.
Yeah. Skill-based
Stinky bot matchmaking. They changed it?
Yup.
Oh my god, we need to celebrate.
How about you hop on with us and we go for Ninja Diffuses as a 6-man?
Nothing would make me happier.
Hey babe, I'm home from work.
Seriously, nothing could ever make me happier.